Hello world, my name is Ayush Goswami. I am from India and this is my final project submission for the CS50P certificate program, which is the CS50 Python program conducted by Harvard University. So, for the final project submission, I have created a cryptography application which I have named by myself as Cryptography 50, making the name homologous with the program's name CS50. So these are my details. My name is Ayush Goswami and I am from Howrah, India. So without any delay, let's start with the project demo. Okay, so now we are back at the code space. Let's see a live demo of my project. So this is the readme file of my project. There's cryptography 50. There's a link for the video demo, which I'm doing right now. And there's the description. That is it is a Python-based text encryption and decryption tool that implements a unique encryption algorithm using dynamic key generation and uneven text splitting. So let's see a live demo of this cryptography 50. This is the main readme file. This is the main project file. And the modules I have imported in this are random, pyfiglet, and regex module. And it contains the functions, namely as the main function, then the print ASCII art function, which prints the name of the program whenever it is initiated in different ASCII art forms in random. Then defines the function generate key, which generates a random key of 5 digit which does not contains any zero, and that thing that the key does not contain any zero is validated by another function named as validate key. And then we define the split uneven text function that splits the text in uneven manner. Then the encryption rule function and the decryption rule function, and most of these functions are being tested using pytest, using this file test underscore project.py. So it contains the test cases of the functions validate key, split uneven, encryption rule, and decryption rule. So without any delay, let's get started with a live demo of my project. So let's start the project. And yes, it is showing that cryptography 50. Welcome to cryptography 50. Choose an option. Let's choose the option of encrypt the text. Let's put the text hello world. Let's see what does it gets encrypted as. So yeah, this is the encrypted message I am getting. It contains first 3 digits, then some text and symbols, and last there are 2 digits. So these first 3 digits and last 2 digits, it is nothing but the key that is being used to decrypt to encrypt the text is attached at the end of and the beginning of the encrypted text, so that we don't need to actually keep the maintain a key for all the time. So it is instantly passed on along with the encrypted text. Now let's copy this text and use the same text to decrypt the encrypted message. Okay, I've copied the text. Let's choose the option 2, that is decrypt a text. Let's see what I'm getting as the output. Let's paste the text, and here it is. The output is hello world. So I have got the text as it was before the encryption. And finally I choose option 3, that is exit, and I get a sweet exiting message that exiting, see you later. So that's all for my final demo project video, and I hope you like it, and your further suggestions for improvement of this project are always welcome. Thank you.